What's up, everybody? AI Workshop back. Today I'm changing oil on a 2004 Honda Odyssey. It's pretty simple, shouldn't take too long, but you may run into those stupid ass problems. But let's get into it. Alright, here's the oil plug. Right there. Just pop that off here. Alright, since it's drained now, alright, there's a washer on the drain plug. Make sure that's back on, if not, it will leak. Alright, the first time I changed this, whoever changed it last didn't have it on it, so I had to buy a new one. So, make sure that's on there. Good stuff. Alright, oil filter. What the hell? Oil filter just on the inside passenger side tire. Filter wrench. Let's do this. Okay. Okay, there's a rubber seal on the filter. Make sure that comes off with the filter, because if not, once again, it will leak. That's if the filter don't blow off. And this is why I wear rubber gloves, guys. Whoop. Can't talk me. Okay. Well, with this one, the manual calls to fill up the oil filter because of the way it is. Anyways, you fill it up. After you do that, put some oil on your finger. Make sure you put some oil on the rubber seal. That way you get a good seal. And then up it goes. Oops. They say you only hand tighten it. So I use both hands. Okay. Alright, I checked, it's full. It took just under 5 quarts. So I guess I didn't read the book right. Whatever. Anyways, that's it. That's simple. Thanks for watching.